Hi, and welcome to lesson number 8 in Module 2 Business Planning. In this lesson, we will be talking about and covering the topics around revenue streams and how you can set up revenue streams and your products so that you can make the maximum amount of money. So, the first question is actually pretty simple. How do you make money? And in this lesson, we will be going over 4 different options, or basically 4 options you can use. These options or alternatives are: you get paid per product, so you purchase a product or a service and sell it as a package, and it is a one-time fee. Another option is that you have a sort of subscription-based payment plan, which is often the case for membership pages, where you register a member to get access. Another one is affiliate programs, which basically gives the visitor or the lead the opportunity to register as an affiliate on your business page and become a reseller of your specific product. Then they would work as marketing and sales agents for you, and you will split the payment or the income for those sales that the affiliate generate. Another one is advertisement or ads and banners that you place on your website, that people pay you for placing ads on your website. So let's get on to the first one, which is per product. The question here is, what price should you take? When it comes to building an online business, it is divided into 3 categories. You have the low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket. These are the different price ranges different products are in. You can split the high ticket into several low high ticket, mid high ticket, and top high ticket, but we keep it simple to 3 levels. So the low ticket is often a lower valued product that costs between $4 and $19. The reason for being it so low is that this is the initial product that you try to promote to your visitor. And as the price is so low, the step to actually bringing the credit card forth and actually purchasing the product, it is really simple. It isn't that much money. But once the person has bought that product, they are already having the credit card in their hand, and then they would be promoted or exposed for the mid-ticket product. And as they have already purchased from you and know that you provide value, they're also likely to purchase the mid-ticket. And then once they have purchased the mid-ticket product, you can promote and try to push the high-ticket product. And this is the way you approach and the funnel that you create. Funnels is something we will be talking more about in the next module when it comes to e-business creation. So a thing you have to think about is, okay, what different products or solutions or services will you provide? And try to build out at least 2, but preferably 3, so that you can split it into low, mid, and high ticket products or services. And by doing this, you have built the framework and the layout for actually building an online funnel. Next one is subscription-based or membership. Basically membership pages uses this revenue setup. So the thing here is that you can have a subscription for different things. It could be different triggers for the subscription. You can, of course, have a subscription where it is a small fee to join, but to upgrade, you pay for each single upgrade. And there is a subscription fee for the different upgrades. You can also have a one-time payment each single month, quarterly and yearly, so that the member could pay once a year. The subscription revenue layout is fairly simple because you pay every single month or you pay on a regular basis. You have recurring payment. And that is what Social Upcoming is among the different payment plans that Social Upcoming provides. The next one is affiliate program. And as I mentioned, an affiliate program is actually giving your visitor the opportunity to register as an affiliate and becoming a reseller of your own product. And by doing this and integrating this type of system into your business, you get 1, free marketing, you get 2, increased sales and increased revenue. And the concept is that this new agent, the affiliate, this sales agent that you get, both for free, and it is awesome. So this agent generates free PR, marketing, sales, and income, and you split the payment. You split the revenue. And an example would be the affiliate program we at Social Upcoming have, where you can register as an affiliate and get 50% commission of every single referral you do. So the question with affiliate programs is, what should you convert on? Should you convert on email, so lead? Should you convert on sales? Should you convert on visitor? What should you convert on? The most used is by sale, so that the people that host the affiliate program get a commission in before they pay it out. There are, however, some different offers that pay per email that you manage to gather for the business. This is often used for cost per action or CPA offers, something we talked about in the previous module in idea development and market research. So you have to think, if you want to have an affiliate program, you have to think about on what action or what trigger should it convert. The next one is, what percentage should I pay? Should I pay 10, 25, 50, 70, 80, 90, or perhaps 100% commission? This is something you have to calculate on to see how big are my expenses and how much money do I need to make each single month to go in profit. And as mentioned, at Social Upcoming we have 50% commission. And if you don't know where you can find the affiliate program, if you scroll to the top, in the menu you should see affiliate. And you should also see it on the dashboard. So back to the topic. The next one is, should it be free to join the affiliate program so that they don't have to be a customer or client or user of your service or product? They shouldn't have to pay you. Should it be free? Or should they actually have, or should there be a fee for people to join the affiliate program? This is something you have to talk about and think about, because if you have a fee for people that register for an affiliate program, then perhaps fewer people would register and try it. So you have to weigh up the pros and cons for the different things to see what do I have to do in order to maximize the potential and the revenue that I will make with this type of program. So that's the affiliate program. The next one is ads and banners, as I mentioned previously. There are different ways to make money with ads and banners. That is basically that people promote something on your page, on your website, on your blog, in exchange for either a monthly fee or a fee per viewer, visitor, lead, and so on, impression. People often get charge you per impression or view. So let's say that you have a website with 10,000 monthly visitors. Then you could charge for 10,000 monthly visitors for your banners, or for someone promoting a banner on your website. The next one is that you charge people, or you actually provide the opportunity for people to post an article or a blog post on your blog or website. You could say that your website or blog would be a place where people go to read something. So let's say a magazine. There are a lot of magazines online that charge for posts, and that it is freelancers that post on these magazines to get marketing back to their own business. And another option is to add your website to a marketplace called Buy Sell Ads, which basically is a place where you can see different websites that have available ad slots. Ad slots is basically spaces on their website that is available so that you can go and promote your own banner on their website, which basically is the number one point that I mentioned on this slide. But when it comes to ads and banners, you should think twice. The thing is that if you have a membership site, members and people hate advertising. And if you have a website that basically lives off ads and banners on your website for commission, then you're not gonna go, that's not gonna go well. Because people are gonna see all these ads and all these banners and think you're a cheap fuck. So think twice before going with the ads and banners model, and try instead to either provide more value and increase the initial price for either the product or the subscription, so that you make your money on those terms instead, and those things instead of pushing ads and banners. So let's wrap it up to see what you actually have to think about. So the things you need to remember when you build your revenue streams are: do you charge per product? And how do you charge per product? And how much? Do you have a subscription system on your page or on your website or in your business so that you charge people monthly or yearly or quarterly in order to get different products? An example for this one is Dollar Shave Club. You pay a certain amount of dollars each single month, and you will get X amount of shaves a month, or razor blades a month. And they are tremendously potential. They are really successful, and their business model has so much potential that it is making them several $1 million a year. The next one is the affiliate program. How should you use it? Should it be free to join? What is the trigger for conversion, and what is the conversion, or what is the commission rate? The next one is ads and banners, as I just mentioned, and you should think twice before implementing this one, because you don't want to promote yourself as a guy or girl who is cheap and only want to push ads and banners to make money. So I want you now to think about this one. Write them down to get an overview over how you want to lay out your revenue streams. How should you make your money? Should you use the affiliate program model? And should you use ads and banners? And which one is most profitable? Pay per product or paid by subscription? Do the math, figure out the price, and make the goal to make the revenue streams make enough money so that you have higher revenue than expenses, because that's the primary goal of a business. The goal with a business is basically two things: making a profit and contributing to the society. So I want you to do this now. Before you do anything else, pause this video, write these 4 factors down, or these 4 things down, and think, evaluate, and write what you want your business to make money on. This is the final lesson in module number 2, which was about business planning. And we've been through unique selling proposition, resources, activities, partners, and all of those gathered together in a cost structure. After cost structure, we've been through customer segments and channels and revenue streams and how you should make money. And with all this, you've made a layout for your entire business. And I've made a cheat sheet that you can download with an overview over everything you've been through in this module, and you can get it on the introduction page for module 1. Beneath this video you have a button, and this button will bring you to the module quiz, which is a quiz for the entire module, and you can only take this quiz once, and depending on your result you'll get access to certain things. But at the end of every single module you have a quiz, and once you've completed a quiz for every single module you will be able to download a diploma and a certificate that you have completed social upcoming and the 5-phase course. So before you continue to the quiz, I want you to write down these 4 things, and I want you to make sure that you have a good understanding in every single point and every single lesson that we have had throughout this module. Once you are satisfied and certain that you have a good overview and a good understanding and have done what I've told you to do, then you can scroll below this video and click the button to go to the quiz.